Hola, here we're going to talk about telling time. So it's not a very difficult concept, but it does require knowing numbers. So when we ask the question, what time is it? Here we go, ¿Qué hora es? And when we want to answer what time it actually is, for example, if it's 2 o'clock right now, we would say son las dos. Let's take a look. So it is 2 o'clock, son las dos. If you want to take it a step further, son las dos de la tarde. It's 2 in the afternoon. Son las dos de la tarde. So son las dos. Now, when you want to say it is 1 o'clock, in the 1 o'clock hour, es la una. So for everything else, from 12 to, what is it, 12:59, it's son las. Only from 1 to 1:59 is it going to be es la. For example, es la 1:23, es la 1:23, right? So here, let's pick back up 12 to 12:59, and then 2 to whatever it is, 2 to 12:59, I guess. 12:59, there we go, a.m., and then 2 a.m. to 12:59, would that be 12:59 p.m., right? You get the point. So the only time you use es la is going to be during the 1 o'clock hour. All right, so let's get back here. So, telling time, son las. Let's take a look at this clock over here, the first one on the left. There we go. There we go. So, ¿qué hora es? Let's see, we see 12 o'clock right here. Shorthand is on the 12, and the longhand is here in between the 1 and the 2, so it's a 5, 6, 7, 8. Son las 12:08. Oh, disculpa. Son las 12:08. Do we need to say es la? No, because it's not in the 1 o'clock hour. So let's take a look at this second one here. So this was number 1. Here we have number 2. Número dos. Aquí. We have longhand here next to the 1. Shorthand next to the 1, and longhand here next to the 5. So, ¿qué hora es? Do we say son las or es la? There we go. Es la una. Es la 1:25. See? Now I put here y25 because that's how we say it, right? 1 and 25 minutes. That doesn't sound right for us to say in English, but in español sí. Es la 1:25. Es la 1:25. Or you can simply say, or you can write it, es la 1:25. So it doesn't matter how you write it, but please do note that the way that we say it, we do include that y. Es la 1:25. All right, let's take a moment to practice here on this next one, número 3. ¿Qué hora es? Son las or es la? That's right, son las. Son las 10:10. ¿Sí? Son las 10:10. Don't need es la here porque son las 10. ¿No? Let me go back up here, número 2. We don't need son las there because it's es la 1:25. All right, número 4, aquí. ¿Qué hora es? Oh, aquí. Son las 2:25, ¿no? 2:25. Let's take a look here. Aquí There we go. Son las 12:15. There we go. Let's do one more here. Oh, you know where I'm going with this. There you go. You knew it. You called it. Es la 1:30.